Assalamu alaikum. My name is Khansa Saqib, and today the topic of my presentation is incisal aspect and root of maxillary lateral incisor. So first of all, what is maxillary lateral incisor? Maxillary lateral incisor are the upper pair of teeth that are located laterally from the maxillary incisor and medially from the maxillary canines. They are generally two in number. Its function are shearing and cutting of food. Incisal aspect. It resembles with the central incisor in its form, function and anatomy. More or less ovoid in form, cingulum is often more prominent and labiolingual dimension may be greater than mesiodistal dimension, which can be seen in the diagram. It exhibits more convexity labially and lingually from the incisal aspect than maxillary incisor. Mesiolabial and mesiodistal labial lines are much more rounded, and the lobes of the labial surface are less clearly demarcated in the lateral incisor, and it is because of high degree of convexity of labial surface. In the diagram, you can see that these lobes are less clearly demarcated. The mesio-incisal angle and the disto-incisal angle are more rounded than corresponding angle of maxillary central incisor. Here in the picture you can see the both maxillary lateral incisor and maxillary central incisor, and the distal incisor and the mesio-incisal angle are more rounded in the maxillary lateral incisor. Now we compare both maxillary central incisor and maxillary lateral incisor. So first of all, the shape of the maxillary central incisor is roughly triangular and the maxillary lateral incisor is rhomboidal in shape. Cingulum is more prominent in maxillary lateral incisor than maxillary central incisor. Developmental groups are prominent in maxillary central incisor than maxillary lateral incisor. Lingular fossa is prominent in maxillary lateral incisor than maxillary central incisor. Root. The lateral incisor root is single and wider labiolingually than mesiodistally. In comparison to the central, the root is longer in relation to its crown length. The apex is relatively sharper than that of its central. In both cervical and mid-root cross-section, the outline is roughly wide and wider labiolingually than mesiodistally. Here you can see this is the maxillary lateral incisor, which consists of the single root, and the apex is sharper and it is wider labiolingually than mesiodistally. Thank you.